Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you program to find the sum of odd and even numbers between 1 to 100 in Java. So let's see. So in the program, first I will take two variables, int even equal to 0 and int odd equal to 0, and after that I will take a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 100 and I plus plus, and in this for loop I will write if I modulus 2 equal to 0. So in this I will write e1 equal to e1 plus I, and in the else part I will write odd equal to odd plus I, and after that I will print the sum of even and odd elements. So I will write here system dot out dot println, and here I will write sum of even elements equal to even, and after that we have to write same for odd elements. So I will simply copy it and paste it here, and here I will write sum of odd elements equal to odd, and let's run this program. Here you can check in the output we are getting sum of even elements equal to 2550 and sum of odd elements is 2500. So let's see how this program is working. In the program I have taken two variables whose initial values are 0. So I will write here, and after that I will taken a for loop for int I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 100 and I plus plus. So the initial value of I is 1, so I is 1. After that it will check that I is less than equal to 100, so 1 is less than 100, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. So here it will check that if I modulus 2 equal to 0, so it will divide I with 2 and it will check the remainder. So when we divide 1 with 2, so 2 into 0 is 0, so remainder is 1, which is not equal to 0. So that means it is an odd numbers, and our this condition is false, so it will not execute, and our else condition will execute, and here it will execute odd equal to odd plus I. Odd is 0 and I is 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1, and after that we store it back in the odd variable. So now this odd variable has 1 inside it. After that I plus plus, so now I will become 2. After that we again check that I is less than equal to 100, so 2 is less than equal to 100, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. And here it will again check that if I modulus 2 equal to 0, here we will divide I with 2 and check the remainder if it is equal to 0 or not. So when we divide I, which is 2, with 2, so the remainder is 0, so our condition is true and it will execute even equal to even plus I. Even is 0 and I is 2, so 0 plus 2 is 2, and we will store it back in the even variable. So now this even variable has 2 inside it, and after that I plus plus, so now I will become 3. So after that this loop will run up to 100, checking every number if it is a even or odd. So if it is a even number, it will get added in the even variable, and if it is odd, then it is added to the odd. And after the ending of this loop, when I will become 101, which is not less than or equal to 100, so at that time our loop will break and we have the sum of even numbers, which is 2550, and in the odd variable we will have the sum of odd numbers 2500. and after that we will print sums of even and odd numbers, and we will get output. So this is how we can write a program to find the sum of odd and even numbers between 1 to 100 in Java. Thank you.